What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Tesla with the ticker symbol TSLA. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Please trade at your own risk. I will first be going over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So Tesla had a pretty large drop today. Why is that? Well, because price is still in this bearish momentum, and you can see it's making lower lows, lower highs. So it's showing me that the bulls are not that strong, and we could probably see lower prices in the future. So you see that price could barely get above the so price bounced off the 164 level, traveled all the way to the 180, came back to the 164. This time only traveled up to the 179 level, so the high 170s instead of the low 180s. So that was bearish. Price sold off pretty harshly after that, and today closed right at that support level. So we'll see if this will act as support. Most likely not, just based on how bearish the market is as right now. This could be a triple bottom. I don't think so. I think we're going to stop out these price levels and probably tag this level right here at the 152, possibly even lower. So overall, Tesla is still looking bearish. Measure move target was reached. You can see that this was one leg down right over here. This was the second leg down. That's why price started consolidating at this level. But if we continue lower, then there's a good chance for the downside. So we can use a more near-term measure move target. So this leg right here, this small one, drag it across. So the next possible target is right around the 138. So overall, just bearish looking chart for Tesla. It's struggling to make a higher high, and it's making another low. It's about to make a new low. And I wouldn't be surprised to see this reaching, sub 150 in the near future. So again, overall bearish for Tesla. We are at support, but again, support gets broken in a downtrend. So again, we're in a downtrend, and I'm pretty sure that price will break this lower support for lower prices. Now let's take a look at the weekly chart. Here's a look at the weekly chart. If you draw the trend line on the weekly candles, fits a little bit better, something like that. You can see that we're still kind of trending below it. So we're kind of still below that trend line, below the EMA. We're barely finding support. Looks like it's about to break down lower. There's a lot of stop losses right over here below this wick right here. So I'm pretty sure price is coming for that. There's a couple gaps over here that can be filled. So again, it looks like price is coming back down to the retest this lower price level at the 103. So, for Tesla, it's been dropping quite a bit. Basically, since July of last year. And again, I think we're going to probably see more downside for this year, or at least in the next couple of months. So overall bearish for Tesla in the near term. So I'm expecting more downside. I wouldn't be long-term bullish unless Tesla can break this downward trend line right over here. You see that it held right back over here, and then over here, over here, over here. So price would need to break that if it wants to have a sustainable uptrend. Until then, I'm going to be long-term bearish. And obviously short term is looking not that well either. So again, expecting a downward break, looking for the 150 and then possibly the 102 from there. So those are my two targets. 150, well, actually the measurement target also. So 150, 136, and then probably the 102, 105. That's what it looks like Tesla is trying to do as of right now. So that's all I have for Tesla on daily weekly charts. Most likely I'll give you guys an update next week, Monday. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time.